Today we're going to talk to you about the silent killer out there that's killing people. It's carbon monoxide, and it's so easy to protect yourself from carbon monoxide. We're going to install just a regular smoke detector, take out your battery operated line voltage smoke detector, and put this new one in that's carbon and smoke with a 10-year battery, so you never have that beeping again at 2 o'clock in the morning. So this is easy change outs that we're going to do today to keep you safe. Big Mike's here to protect you. Big Mike has your back. So today we're going to change out a regular smoke detector to a combination smoke detectors that do smoke and carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a odorless gas that you can't detect, and it's a killer. And if you have this old style with the 9-volt battery, you're supposed to change the battery once a year. And also, what I like to do is clean the smoke detector. So if you're going to keep your 9-volt battery smoke, change the battery and then clean the intake, because dust gets in there, and there's a little dust in this room here, and it can have it go off when there's no fire. So we're going to do that. And this house has interconnect, so it has the hot and the neutral and this red wire, but it's yellow on your smoke detector, and it's a interconnect. So when this smoke detector goes off, it sets off all the rest of the smoke detectors in the house. So, and this is the clip that just plugs into the smoke detector. So if I'm going to change, this is called the pigtail for the smoke detector, but they do sell, for you guys at home, they do sell an adapter that would plug into this and then plug into this new smoke detector, so you don't have to change any wires. They sell this at Home Depot. It's a little jumper for this to this. But we're going to change this out today. We shut the power off. We found the circuit. We shut the power off. And we're going to do a new 10-year carbon monoxide smoke detector. So stick with me, folks, and we're going to change this out real quick. First, I'm going to undo the wires. And you can see that this has a set of wires in and out. It's wired with 14.3. We'll get into that. So it has the extra red wire here. And you're supposed to wire smoke detectors on their own dedicated circuit. The new smoke detector comes with another jumper to wire in, and you just wire it in to here. The yellow goes to the red. But with these new adapters, you can use these adapters and you don't have to unwire or wire anything. You can upgrade your smoke detector real easily. So I took the old smoke detector off. I have to put the new base on for the new smoke detector. I'm going to tuck these wires up inside. So just a little, I call it a pigtail, sticks out. Get the black one. And of course, kill the power. This is supposed to be on one circuit. So line this up. And sometimes you have to move the screws around to get it lined up right. There it is. So I'll just tighten up the 832s. Make sure it's good and tight there. And the 832s are the thread count on these screws for, that's one of the electrical boxes use 832 threads. So I'm going to pick out the adapter that matches my new Kidde. This just plugs right in. Make sure you get it down good and tight. Get those, there it goes all the way. You got to squeeze these two little things so it slides up, and you heard it click. So you got to make sure it's got enough room up in the box, because there is a bunch of wires here. So when we do get the new smoke detector, and this is the new 10-year carbon monoxide, 10-year battery on this bad boy. Just line that up. Get it in there good.
Testing. This is very loud. Press now to cancel test. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire. Warning. Carbon monoxide.
So that was a good test, and
Complete.
the other smoke detector in the other bedroom did go off also.